Hi, welcome to this channel. Now we are going to discuss about how break and continue works in the Python program. So let's give with some example. I'm just going to use the while loop. Inside the while loop, I will use the break and continue statement and we'll discuss about them. So create a variable with say 0. I'm writing a while loop. So already we had a video recorded for while loop and for loop that has been uploaded in this channel. So I request you to watch that video if you have not done already, guys. So let's say while x is less than equal to 10. So if I print x, then change the value of the x, otherwise it will be running with the same values. Now if I run this program, I know that I'm getting from 0 to 10 because this condition will be evaluated until 10. When it becomes more than 10, it will come out. Now let's say if x is equal to 5, what I'm doing it, I'm just saying break. When I say break, it will come out of the loop. Break will make sure that it is coming out of the loop when it meets the break statements. So I'm saying that you continue to print from 0 to 4. If it is reaching the value 5, you want to come out. So that break means it will come out of the loop immediately at the time when it meet this condition as a break. So it came out. Now, no more execution happened. It is broken it. The same other one, continue. In place of the break, if I put the continue, what does it mean by continue is, continue will continue to check the condition. It will skip the rest of the line in the loop. It will continue to check the condition. Right. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm just changing the value in the first place because otherwise it will not work. Why it will not work? Because the value will not get changed if we create the continue statement. Okay. Now, so why I'm changing this position? Because if I'm not giving the changes in first place, when it meet the continue statement, the value is 5. It will be remains 5 all the times. So to avoid that, I just given the increment option in the top. Now if I run this, x is less than 10, yes, because x is 0 is less than 10, 0 becomes 1. Is 1 is equal to 5? No. Then it will print 1. Then it go back. Is 1 is less than 10? Yes. 1 become 2. Is 2 is equal to 5? No. Then it print 2. Like that it will print 3 and 4. After printing 4, x becomes 5. Is 5 equal to 5 true? It will continue. So the bottom of the line will be ignored. If it is reaching the continue, it will immediately go back and check the condition. So by the time of 5, we will not get it printed because the print statement is there in the below. But before that, it meet the continue statement. So it will not execute with the print. It will go back to the condition checks. Is 5 less than equal to 10? Yes. Then 5 becomes 6. 6 is not equal to 5. So 6 will be printed. Earlier we got 4 and after that we are getting 6. The 5 will be skipped because by the time of 5 we have the continue statement. You see here guys, the 5 is not printed because by the time of x is 5 as per this code, it is going to the continue with the condition checks. It will ignore all the line there in the loop. After the continue statement, whatever the lines is there, it will ignore them. So that is how the continue statement works. So this is the break and continue statement. So if you have any queries, you can let me know. So thanks for watching. I request you to subscribe the channel if you like this is a useful one. So thank you guys.